Welcome to Breaking News Live with Dr. Mike Santajuana, where I bring you the latest updates and expert analysis on today's most pressing events. Stay tuned as I delve into stories shaping our world with insights from Dr. Mike Santajuana, your trusted source for informed perspective. Live with Dr. Mike, and of course we're here in the Grand Alumni Homecoming of the Philippine Normal University. In my background, of course, is the trophies for the awardees for this year. And this year's theme, relentlessly upholding the PNU core values of truth, excellence, and service. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Once again, this is Doc Mike for Breaking News Live with Dr. Mike, and of course, today I am here in the PNU Grand Alumni Homecoming. Of course, I have the President, Dr. Bert Jasmine Tuga. Hello, Dr.
Hello, Dr. Mike. Welcome again to PNU.
Wow, thank you. And of course, congratulations. I know you're the #1 awardee for the PNU Alumni National Award.
Yes. I'm coming from batch 2004.
Yes, and you're the jubilarian.
Yes, we are jubilarian. 20 years.
20 years jubilarian. Now, what can we expect in today's Grand Alumni?
Well, I think it was the celebration started with by batch meetings. We have assigned classrooms for specific batch jubilarians. Then after that, there was a Holy Mass already conducted. And then the celebration will begin with a parade. And then we have recognition of the 16 national awardees of the PNUEA. And I think there will be more raffles and prizes.
Well, for our viewers, especially to the alumni who are not able to attend this afternoon, so what's your message to our fellow alumni worldwide?
Well, please visit PNU. If you have graduated 10 years ago, 20 years ago, 30 years ago, a lot of things have changed, and I think you'll be excited to see PNU now. You have to visit your alma mater because it might be late later.
Yes, thank you very much, Dr. Bert Jasmine Tuga. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.
This segment is brought to you by Trans-Pacific Multi-Services LLC, Bookkeeping and Tax Services, located at 5440 West Sahara Boulevard, Suite 107, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89146. Qualified tax preparer, specializing in preparation of individual and business tax returns. Trans-Pacific Multi-Services.
Spoken to him. How in Damascus he had spoken out boldly in the name of Jesus. So but they tried to kill him. And when the brothers learned of this, they took him down to Kazariza. and sent him his way to Tarsus. The church throughout Judea, Galilee, and Samaria was at peace. It was being built up and walked in the fear of the Lord, and with the gospel.
We'd like to also especially mention our board of advisors. The former okay, dahan-dahan lang po. Dahan-dahan. Okay.
Kahabang sa audience.
Isa pa na! 2009!
Of the program. So just look at it. It's the report of the President. Mr. President of the Philippine Normal University, one of the most outstanding presidents that the university has ever had, Dr. Bert Tuga, and the members of the Board of Directors of the Philippine Normal University Alumni Association, and I do not want to proceed without mentioning the name of a famous representative who represents not only yourself, not only yourself, but she represents the
a very important result of the licensure examination for professional teachers. In 2 examinations last year, March 2023, 4 schools and universities in the Philippines, especially in the secondary level. And we produced around 8 individuals.
Muli, maraming salamat po sa ating mahal na Presidente, Dr. Berg Jasmine Tuga, for all the milestones. Ano po, we were able to achieve through his leadership, perseverance, and love. Okay.
Based on our evaluation from the submitted credentials of the nominated awardees for this 2024 awards, these are the following national awardees. May we request the national awardees, if you are seated down there, to please come up stage because the awarding will be said.
Dr. Tuga is a BS Psychology major, PNU March 2004, cum laude, Certificate in Science, MA in Teaching, PNU Visayas 2007, PhD in Curriculum Instruction, PNU May 2016, Director, Promotion and Business Development Office, PNU June 12, 2013, Instructor, Guidance Counselor, PNU Visayas, Campus Executive Director and Provost, PNU Visayas, Vice President for University Relations and Advancement, PNU, Vice President for Finance and Administration, University President, PNU, December 2019 to date.
Superintendent Division of Muntinlupa City from 2022 and 2023, and Schools Division Superintendent Division of Quezon City from 2023 to present. Once again, our next national awardees 2024, Carlene X. Sibilan from May 12 to 2009, PSDS May 13, 2009.
Relevant positions held, Teacher 1, 93-2005, DepEd Caloocan, OIC Principal of the same division, Principal 2006 to 2020.
1974 to 1975, a preschool teacher at St. Paul College, Pasig City, grade school teacher at French Polynesia Territories, United States of America, Europe, Middle East, and many more. We are very proud to announce the last national awardees individual. Please welcome Maria Rodora M. Santos. Okay, one more picture. One PNU.
Kaya namin batiin ko ang pinag-ibitagang Pangulo ng PNU Alumni Association, dating Pangulo ng Dambasang Normal ng Pilipinas, Atty. Rodrigo V. Babo. Nanginis ko na sir ang pagkanta mo. Kaya nakabaulit maririnig. Sana sinabi natin kasi na binundugan tayo ng kanta. Okay. Of course, ang ating minamahal na Pangulo ng Balantasan, Dr. Bert J. Tuga. Alam mo yan si Dr. Bert J. Kaharap sa audience. Itagang mga nagsipagtapos sa Balantasan minamahal nating lahat. Lalo na mga civilians. Lahat ng mga nagsipagtapos sa nag-iis. Walang makakantay. Ang laging number 1 sa
Mother ko sa bawat puso'y
Rihanna. Maria Caridad, Rihanna.
And of course, as we end this year's Grand Alumni Homecoming, of course, at my background is Batch 1984 and 1983 until the next Grand Alumni. This is Dr. Mike SJ for Breaking News Live with Dr. Mike SJ. Good night! Hello once again, this is Breaking News Live with Dr. Mike SJ. This is Breaking News